I'm James Parky. I work to live life at the NB Town. And in this video, I want to show you a place called the Tropical Butterfly House, which I went to last week. And this place is near Dinnington, North Anston, which is right on the edge of South Yorkshire, pretty much between Rotherham and Workshop. I've not been to this place in about 20 years. I remember going there when I was younger, and well, I did a bit of research. It's a lot bigger now than what it was when I went there, so I decided to check it out. So here we go. So the Tropical Butterfly House. Obviously there's butterflies here, but as you see in the map, there's a lot more here as well. So it'll be good to have a walk around. And we start with this meadowy bit, which had a bit of a nature trail. As you can see, the weather was really nice and sunny. So it was the perfect day to go out, really. This picture was took of a meerkat looking up at a plane. Hello. Hi. Hello. How are you doing? Hello. You're on camera. Oh, hello. You want to be the centre of attention.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. There were lots of different species of birds here, which was good to see. And of course, as you saw earlier, some are more vocal than others. I had to get a picture of me with the pony. So I'm now in the tropical greenhouse, which is where the butterflies are. So let's see what we find. there were many different types of butterfly in the greenhouse, and it was really good to see. They were all attracted to a chair, but don't worry about the red face. It was 32 degrees in the greenhouse. It even had its own colony of ants, which looked really interesting. I always find it fascinating how such small creatures can work together in the way that ants do. There was also another greenhouse that had tropical birds in it, which was good. And there was also other animals, such as the armadillos. I never realised they were so fast. Here are the last few images I got from the tropical butterfly house. And I have to say it was a really good day, perfect weather, and which was good seeing all the animals. So that was the tropical butterfly house, and I have to say I really enjoyed it there. The weather was great, and the animals were great, and it was definitely a lot bigger than what I remember. But it was certainly a good place to go around, and to be able to see lots of different animals, especially the ones in the tropical area. I don't get to experience it that often, so yeah, it was really good. I'm really glad I went there. Yeah, I definitely think about going there again. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching all the recent ones. It's been a bit of a quieter time for me recently, but I'm going to try and get a lot more stuff done, which is good. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and on that note, I'll see you on the next one.